just got my onion sets in the mail yesterday. I get these onion sets in the ground before too much time goes by. And so I'm really excited about getting those in the ground. Let's do this. So this is what I'm working with. So let's lay out the process for today. It will include potting soil first, then bone meal, then inserting the onion sets, compost, watering, and later on, but not in this video, we'll add some leaf mulch. So I got my gloves on, I got my boots on. So here we go. First, we'll just fill the planter box and start out with Miracle-Gro potting mix. I'll just smooth that all around and crumble out any of the clumps. We don't want any clumps. And there you have it. So enters the bone meal. And what I've chosen to do is to just sprinkle the bone meal across the top of the potting soil layer. I could have chosen to insert a little bone meal into each hole for each onion bulb, but I'm being lazy about it. Here are the onion sets. It's a mixed group of red, white, and yellow onions. This is an 8-ounce package that I purchased from Amazon, and it's supposed to be an assortment that's easy to grow. They are day neutral, which means they should perform well in most zones. My goal is to allow them to grow into full-size onions. So I'm just going to pour these on here, and we're going to get these all laid out. This is the root, the bottom, and this pointed is the top. So you want to point it, so you want to plant it with the root down. Well, I got them all planted, and I used the entire bed. I tried to stick with the triangular planting method with all of the bulbs being about 3 inches apart. It's difficult to see how they are planted here because I spread that thin layer of bone meal across the top of the potting soil. So now in comes the compost. So this is the compost. And here I'm trying to smooth it out and just press out any clumps that I find. And there you have it. So now we'll give it a good water. We'll soon add leaf mulch because it's getting really cold here. And we'll just watch it and water it as needed. So we accomplished what we set out to do this morning. Onion sets delivered yesterday, planted today. And don't let anybody tell you that yard work is not exercise. Ciao. Yard work done, and on my way to work.